Alrighty guys, welcome back to the channel. As you saw in the first clip, yes, this truck went on a dyno. It's finally dyno day, and I'm super excited to see what it makes. I really have no expectations. I don't know what's gonna happen. The truck has a 7-inch lift, 35-inch tires, intake, rough country, MBRP Cat Back exhaust, the super chips, which we're running the performance tune with 93 octane. I went to a gas station and actually found one with 93 octane, so we're using the highest rating. I'm really curious to see what this truck puts down. I'm shooting for 300. I don't know if it's gonna get there. So video is coming next. We're gonna get it on the dyno and see what it makes. Alrighty guys, we're back home. We've made it. No issues with the truck whatsoever. What'd you think? Leave it down in the comments below. I've not seen any lifted truck with 35s on dynos very much. I don't know where I found it, but I found a truck similar to mine, but it had 33s and I think like a 4-inch lift. That's the closest thing I could find. Didn't search too hard, but it made 290. So correct me if I'm wrong, but if I go to a lower tire, a smaller tire, let's say if I put my stock tires back on, I will make more horsepower. The guy was saying that a lot of my power loss is because of the big tires. I'm not sure. I don't know enough about dynos and performance, but I can say that if you have a lifted truck with 35s, intake, exhaust, cat back exhaust, with the super chips, 286, which even the guys at the shop were very, very surprised. They thought it was a lot of power for the size of truck, and you know, it is what it is. I think some headers are in the works. Maybe that'll help me a little bit. After that, I mean, what's next? What else can you do besides start stepping up to a supercharger, which that is a ton of money, and I don't know if I'm going to do that. If I'm going to do that, I might as well go up to a diesel and just sell the truck and start from scratch. So I don't know. We'll see what happens, but I'm super happy with it, how everything worked out. I'm going to put the dyno sheet, the actual chart, up here. I know I did some picture-in-picture on the actual runs. Super cool, and yeah, let me know what you think down in the comments, and make sure you like and subscribe. If you want to see more stuff like this, more performance stuff, or more off-roading stuff, leave it down in the comments as well, and we will see you on the next one. Have a good day.